Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Business Hub. And in this video, I'm going to show you our next week gold deeper analysis. That means for the next week, we will analyze the gold deeply. Okay, and to find out market direction, that means buy or sell, or to find out market direction, we will firstly analyze the market monthly. Okay, then weekly, then daily. Okay, then we can find out the market direction, and then we will find out our entry on H4 or H1. Okay, so let's get a start. So as you can see there, here is already monthly time frame selected over here, as you can see. So market is on buy for the monthly, and last 2 months, November and December, market was on bearish, and first month of 2025 market is on bullish momentum. Okay, and if we try to find out a support or resistance zone on weekly time frame, let me select weekly time frame. As you can see there is a, okay, let me draw some support and resistance area. As you can see there, if we make that around that area, okay, maybe that area, okay, let me draw another one like trend line. Okay, if we try to draw a trend line around that area, okay, as per our last week analysis, market was around this area, and we told that market is going to buy because there is a breakout and market already closed with buy entry. Okay, and as per you know that yesterday market was hit all-time high, guys. Okay, all-time high. And let's analyze the market for next week. And as you can see there, there is a breakout from trend line, and that means trend line resistance, and here was a resistance zone, and that also confirmed to go buy. Okay, so our weekly time frame is on closed with on buy. Okay, if we try to take a Fibonacci retracement, like from lower zone to higher zone, let me remove it and let me draw it again. If we draw it again from higher to lower, like, let me remove previous one. Okay, I draw it perfectly. Okay, as you can see there, it already hit our higher zone. Okay, as you can see there, it already hit our higher zone and trying to go down. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, where we can find entry for weekly time frame. Okay, for weekly time frame, we can take entry here, and our SL should be near the 50 range or below the 50 range. Okay, let's remove it, make it shorter like a daily time frame, so we can easily find our entry or easily find our perfect zone. So as you can see there, for current support zone, there is a 5 touch in this resistance zone. So market just make a breakout from this resistance area, again give us a pullback, again trying to go buy. Okay, and for daily time frame, if we scroll or zoom out a little bit more, let draw a trend line over here. And if we draw a trend line over here, as you can see there, okay, let's draw another trend line like this area, in this area. Okay guys, as you can see there, there is a strong bullish breakout, and this is the reason why market is trying to go up, or this is the reason market is why trying to go bullish. Okay, and as you can see there, the all-time high already passed away and break away from yesterday's breakout. Okay, and if we try to make a Fibonacci retracement from last, okay, from the last trend support area, and the one is all-time high. Okay, so as per I said on weekly time frame, as you can see there, okay, let me zoom it little bit more. As you can see there, it already touched our 28, like 2825 or something like that, that area, and it's just trying to go down in lower time frame. And our next support zone is around 2735 to 2737. So if we want to take entry like for weekly time daily time frame, so we need to wait until that area, or we need to wait for breakout, then pull back, then we can take entry over here. Okay, and let find out our exact entry, or let find out our proper entry on H4 time frame. Okay, as you can see there on H4 time frame also, this this trend line support is also valid. And let me make a deeper analysis for H4 time frame. Okay, so in H4, if we want to try, or if we want to draw a trend line, like support trend line for that area, okay, and our support zone should be around that area. Okay, so to take a buy entry on H4, we have to wait till this zone, like this zone. Okay, let me make it little bit perfect. Okay, we need to wait for that exclusive area. Okay, I'm sorry, it may take few time, so you may speed up the video. So as you can see there, so our entry should be around that area, SL below this line. Okay, and our TP should be around this area. Okay, this area TP. So if our let me see how much pips is our SL. Okay, it's 2. Okay, let me draw a zone or SL area, and another zone is our TP area. Okay, so as you can see there is 1:2 risk reward ratio. Okay, our 2776 is our entry zone. Our SL zone is 2753. Our TP zone 2818. Okay, you may say, Mr. Boom, there is more than 200 pips SL. Okay, you can see the TP. Okay, it's more than 450 pips, so you may easily take the entry. And you may ask me, Mr. Boom, what about lower time frame? Okay, let's check the H1 or H4, sorry, H1 or M30 time frame. So if we check out H1 or M30 time frame, for H1, as you can see there is a strong support zone. Okay, so you also can take short term buy entry on H1. So your entry should be around this area, like let me draw it. Okay, your entry should be around that area, that particular area. Your SL should be below the red rectangle, like that area. Your TP should be that area where your risk to reward ratio is, okay, 1:3. Okay, in this particular section. And if we try to understood it on M13, as you can see the same thing here. So you may take the entry for the lower time frame zone. And if we want to calculate the proper risk reward ratio or proper TP/SL ratio, as you can see their current market condition is 2799, and our SL should be 2790, that means 90 bips, and 2816, that means 160 pips. There is 1:2 risk reward ratio if we calculate that properly. So hopefully all things clear now. We will post more detailed analysis on Monday to Friday, so you may connect in our Telegram channel t.me/fxbillion. So hopefully this video will help you a lot to decide your trading movement next week. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.